Yo, what's up everybody? It's Kryptonite back with another video, and today we're diving deep into the world of cryptocurrency mining. Specifically, we're breaking down the top cryptocurrencies perfect for beginners just like you. Whether you're completely new to this or have dabbled a bit, we've got you covered. We'll be exploring 5 different cryptocurrencies, discussing their pros and cons, and most importantly, how you can get started mining them. We'll keep it simple, straightforward, and easy to understand because, let's be real, crypto can be confusing enough as it is. So if you're ready to turn your computer's downtime into potential crypto gains, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more tech breakdowns, and let's jump right into it.
First up, we have Ethereum Classic, or ETC. Now, you might be thinking, wait, isn't it just Ethereum? And you'd be right, kind of. Ethereum Classic is like the OG Ethereum, sticking to its roots after a major update. But what makes it great for beginners? It's all about the GPU mining. See, Ethereum Classic uses a proof-of-work mechanism that's GPU-friendly, meaning you don't need to drop a ton of cash on specialized hardware. If you've got a decent graphics card, you're already halfway there. Speaking of graphics cards, you'll need one that can handle the workload. Think something like a NVIDIA GTX 1060 or an AMD Radeon RX 580 as a good starting point. Of course, the more powerful your GPU, the better your chances of mining those ETC rewards. Next up, you'll need mining software. There are a bunch of options out there, but some popular ones include Phoenix Miner and Gminer. These programs connect you to the Ethereum Classic network and let your GPU do its thing. Setting up the software can seem a bit intimidating at first, but trust me, it's more user-friendly than you think. Most mining software comes with guides or tutorials to walk you through the process step by step. Once you're all set up, you can join a mining pool, which is basically a group of miners who combine their computing power to increase their chances of earning rewards. It's like teamwork for crypto. Now let's talk about profitability. Ethereum Classic's value can fluctuate just like any other cryptocurrency, but it's generally considered a profitable coin to mine, especially if you have low electricity costs. Just remember, mining profitability can vary depending on factors like your hardware, electricity prices, and the overall network difficulty. It's always a good idea to do your research and calculate your potential earnings before diving in headfirst. Overall, Ethereum Classic is a solid option for beginner miners. It's relatively easy to set up, you don't need crazy expensive hardware, and it offers decent profitability potential.
Next up, we have Ravencoin, often referred to as RVN. Now this one's particularly interesting for beginners because it's designed to be accessible. Think of it as the friendly face of crypto mining. One of the biggest hurdles for new miners is the cost of entry. ASIC miners, those specialized machines built for mining, can be really expensive. But with Ravencoin, you can get started with just a GPU, something many gamers already have. And if you don't have a dedicated GPU, you can even mine Ravencoin using your CPU, although it might not be as efficient. The point is, Ravencoin gives you options, and that's always a good thing. Just like with Ethereum Classic, you'll need mining software to connect to the Ravencoin network. Again, there are several options available, but Cow Miner and NB Miner are popular choices for Ravencoin. Setting up the software is pretty straightforward, and there are plenty of guides available online to help you out. Once you're up and running, you can join a mining pool to increase your chances of earning RVN rewards. Now let's talk about profitability. Ravencoin might not be as well known as some other cryptocurrencies, but it's been gaining traction, and its value has been steadily increasing. Plus, since it's designed for accessibility, the mining difficulty is generally lower compared to some other coins, which means you have a better chance of actually mining some RVN. Overall, Ravencoin is a fantastic option for beginners. It's easy to get started with, doesn't require a huge investment, and has the potential for decent profitability.
Now, let's shift gears a bit and talk about Monero, or XMR. This one's a bit different from the previous two because it's known for its focus on privacy and security. Monero uses a unique technology called ring signatures and stealth addresses, which basically make it really difficult to track transactions. This has made it a popular choice for users who value their privacy. But what about mining? Well, Monero is one of the few cryptocurrencies that's actually CPU-friendly. That means you don't necessarily need a powerful graphics card to mine it. You can get started with just your computer's processor. Of course, having a powerful CPU will definitely help, but it's not a strict requirement. This makes Monero a great option for people who might not have a gaming PC but still want to get into crypto mining. Just like with the other coins, you'll need mining software to connect to the Monero network. XMRig and MineXMR are two popular choices for Monero mining. Setting up the software is pretty similar to other mining software, and there are plenty of tutorials available online. Once you're all set up, you can join a mining pool to combine your computing power with other miners. Now let's talk about profitability. Monero's value can fluctuate, just like any other cryptocurrency, but it's generally considered a profitable coin to mine, especially if you have low electricity costs. Plus, since it's CPU mineable, you don't have to worry about competing with massive mining farms that use tons of GPUs. This can give you a bit of an edge in terms of mining rewards. Overall, Monero is a great option for beginners who are looking for a privacy-focused cryptocurrency that can be mined with a CPU. It's relatively easy to get started with and offers decent profitability potential.
Alright, let's talk about the big one, Bitcoin or BTC. This is the cryptocurrency that started it all, and it's still the most valuable one out there. Now I know what you're thinking. Can I even mine Bitcoin as a beginner? And the answer is, it's complicated. See, back in the day, you could mine Bitcoin with just your computer's CPU, but as more people started mining it, the mining difficulty increased, and it became much harder to mine Bitcoin with just a regular computer. These days, Bitcoin mining is dominated by massive mining farms that use specialized hardware called ASIC miners. These ASIC miners are incredibly powerful and efficient at mining Bitcoin, but they're also very expensive. So does that mean you can't mine Bitcoin as a beginner? Not necessarily. You could still join a cloud mining service where you basically rent mining power from a large mining farm. This way, you don't have to invest in expensive hardware, but you'll have to pay fees to the cloud mining provider. And to be honest, cloud mining can be a bit risky. So do your research carefully before you go down that route. Now let's talk about profitability. Bitcoin is the most valuable cryptocurrency, so naturally the potential rewards are high. However, the mining difficulty is also extremely high, so your chances of actually mining a Bitcoin block on your own are slim to none. Overall, Bitcoin mining as a beginner is definitely challenging, but not impossible. If you're serious about it, you could look into cloud mining or consider investing in a small ASIC miner.
Last but not least, we have Dogecoin, or Doge, the one with the Shiba Inu dog as its mascot. Dogecoin started as a joke, but it quickly gained a massive following and became a legitimate cryptocurrency. What makes Dogecoin great for beginners is its accessibility. You can mine Dogecoin using either a GPU or a CPU, so you don't need any specialized hardware. Plus, the mining difficulty is relatively low, which means you have a decent chance of actually mining some Doge. Just like with the other coins, you'll need mining software to connect to the Dogecoin network. Easy Miner and CUDA Miner are two popular choices for Dogecoin mining. Setting up the software is pretty straightforward, and there are tons of guides available online. Once you're up and running, you can join a mining pool to increase your chances of earning Doge rewards. Now let's talk about profitability. Dogecoin's value can be quite volatile, so it's not necessarily the most stable investment. However, it's a fun and engaging community, and mining Doge can be a great way to learn the ropes of cryptocurrency mining. Plus, you never know, Dogecoin has surprised us all before, and its value could skyrocket again. Who knows, you might just mine the next meme coin that takes the internet by storm. Overall, Dogecoin is a fantastic option for beginners who are looking for a fun and accessible way to get into crypto mining. It's easy to get started with, doesn't require expensive hardware, and has the potential for some surprising rewards.
So, there you have it, 5 cryptocurrencies perfect for beginner miners. Whether you're looking for GPU-friendly options, CPU mineable coins, or just a fun and engaging community to be a part of, there's something out there for everyone. Remember, cryptocurrency mining can be a rewarding experience, but it's important to do your research, understand the risks, and always prioritize security. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, and have fun with it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tech breakdowns, and share it with your friends who are interested in crypto. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep mining.